When doing real estate photography, the way to sell the home is that exterior photo. In this video, I want to give you a few tips and tricks on how to get an amazing exterior photo and a few different things to look for when you're getting that exterior shot. So as you see, what I typically do is I go up to the house. While I'm walking up to the home, I'm looking at how the home is placed on the property. I find a good starter point for doing the exterior photo is to line up with the front door. That'll give you the best angle in addition to the property. So this home here, as you can see, the driveway is off to the side. So I like to make sure that I line up with that front door. Sometimes homes like this will have trees or things in the way that kind of prevent you from getting that perfect angle. So be flexible when photographing homes, because sometimes those things can get in the way. And if you're dedicated on getting that one shot, you'll miss other opportunities. So as you see here, I got two different angles to have more to choose from later, and we ended up going with this shot. Here are a few of my other images in my portfolio to show you some of the different angles and ways that you can utilize these angles in real estate photography to get that amazing exterior photograph. When you're going out, have fun with the process, but make sure that you line up with that front door to really nail the shot. If you made it this far in the video, leave me a camera emoji. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below.